to construct this isometric block, the first thing we are going to do is we have to create this face first. So let us start. First thing we have to do, we have to set our unit. So you type in UNITS units, click on units, change it to decimal, set your precision to 0.00, your unit to be international to millimeters, international to Latin. So we have to change our view to the top, to the southwest. We have to move this to the bottom. So we have to UCS settings. So we take it to show UCS account. Now we start by creating this face. So to create this face is 88 by 134. So click on the rectangle tool, just left click anywhere, click on dimensions. So our length is 134. Press enter. I'll use this with perspective. So we have our shape. So what we have to have radius of 20. So we want to create that at the fillet tool. Fillet. So you can either press F, enter, or you can locate it. So to specify the radius is what? 20. So 20, enter. So just locate any point, any two lines, automatically your fillet was set. So to repeat that command, you have to press enter again, click this up, so you press escape to go out of the command. So we have to rotate our drawing. So click on the rotate tool, click on the drawing, press enter. So if you take this green line to bring our drawing up at an angle of 90, press escape to go out of the command. So the thickness of this is 20. So we need to have a thickness of 20 here. So what we need is our extrude. Click on extrude. Click on your drawing. Press enter. Type in 20. Press enter. So you have this one. So we need to make this block, but we already have a thickness of 20. So 45 minus 20 is 25. So we require 25. The block, this block, 25 by 88. So we go back, take our rectangle tool, take any point, click. So go to dimensions. So they are asking us for the length, which is 88, enter. The width, which is 25 as just said, enter. So we have to also rotate it. So we click on it, enter. So we rotate it by 90 also, 90, enter. So it also has a height of 20. So take 20, we extrude it also, click on it, enter, take a height of 20, enter. So we have to move this close to this because it's a single object. So you press on M, press enter, select this object by left clicking, press enter again, select this bottom part and just click on it, click on it, it will join. So if you can't see this really, you have to come here and turn on all these object snap settings. If you turn off this object snap settings, it will be easier for you. So next thing you do is, you can see these two are two independent objects. We have to make them to become one object. So we have to use a tool called the union tool. So if you come to solid, you see union, or you can type it in if you like. So you select this, press enter. As you can see now, it's one single entity. So we can continue. So we are done with this part of this block. What we need now is this something that looks like a cone, yes. So let's continue. To get these cones, there we said they gave us a height from the bottom to this to the center of the cycle to be 80. So take your line command, or if you like, you can just press L and press enter. Take it from, you have to, this restricts you from drawing lines that are not straight, gives you lines that are at 90 degrees. Take this, it gives you 80, with the line 80, press enter, then you escape to go out of the line command. So what you need to do next is to draw a cycle of 30 degrees. So let's just come to any place here, draw a cycle of 30 degrees. Sorry, this is the diameter. You have the radius. So you have types of cycles. As you can see, you have to select center radius cycles because we are given radius in our question. So you come to the side, specify a radius of 30, press enter. So we need to also rotate this. So you click on the rotate tool, press the cycle, press enter. This green line, we need to rotate it by 90, press 90, press enter. So we need to move this cycle to somewhere here. So press F, press enter, press on the circle, enter. So if you really turn on your object snap, it will give you the center, and also you can merge it with the center of this line somewhere here. Yes. So again, now we need to create this 25 cycle. So, and it's given at a distance of 64. You have to make a line of 64 millimeters from this point. Take a line out, 64, enter. You have the line of 64. So you press escape to go out of your line command. What's the radius of the second cycle? Is 25. So what you need to do, circle 25 radius, enter. You need to rotate it, enter, green line, 90, enter, press M to move it, enter, press the cycle, enter, then you bring it here and paste it. So we have to use now, there's a command we call the loft command. We have to use the loft command to make this cone shape that you see here. So what we have to do is, after selecting the loft command, just click on this, it transforms the loft command, then you right click, press enter, then press cross section only. After doing that, you have to create this inner cycle of radius 13. This inner cycle of radius 13, what you have to do is press select cycle, press anywhere you like. So we need to create the cycle that is here, radius 13, right? So let's go back. Our cycle, radius 13, enter. We need to rotate it also. Let's just rotate it 90 degrees, 90, enter. Let's move it to this line, our reference line here. Click on it, press M and press enter. Take it from the middle to this our reference line. Paste it there. You need to extrude it also to the same length as this cycle, which is from our drawing is what, 64. So we need to take it out. Our drawing is 64, we need to take it out. So we have 64. Place and press enter. So already our drawing is taking shape. You can only see it by looking at it from this view. So the best thing now to do is we have to see this place to be hollow going in. So we need to subtract this. So you need to pay attention here very well. So to subtract it, you go to solid, subtract, or you can type it in. So to subtract it, you need to remove it from its bigger side, or from its bigger shape or cycle. It's here, you can see it. So you go on to the bigger cycle, you right click, you left click, you go out, you right click, then into the smaller cycle, you left click, you go out, you right click. As you can see, a hole has been created. So the last thing we need to do is this fillet with 10 radius. That's the last thing. So let's go back to our 2D wireframe. What we need to do is we're going to fillet again. So you select your fillet tool. Sorry, before that you have to union your drawing, union, so that the fillet, you can see the effect of the fillet well. So after union, you click on union, select both, click enter. What you need to do next is the fillet tool. As you can see it like this. After clicking fillet, click on the drawing, press enter, then fillet radius. Our fillet radius is given by 10, so we need 10. Type in 10, enter, select the circle, enter. So if you go back to your conceptual view, it has created this fillet radius. Thank you. We meet next time.